This makeup is so easy that I can do it with both hands. And I can guarantee, even if you're a beginner, you can pull this off seamlessly without any effort. All you need is any neutral eyeshadow palette and a sparkle topper. And it gets done in less than 5 minutes and looks absolutely stunning to any special event or party. And best of all, because it's a neutral eyeshadow look, you can wear it with any outfit. Let's start by priming the lids with a deeper shade of concealer. This is the Makeup Forever Full Cover Concealer, and I'm using the shade Fawn. I'm just applying a tad bit and I'm going to spread it all over my lid and beyond. I'm using a concealer brush here. You can also use your fingers. And then from the Boring palette, which is my collaboration with Ofra Cosmetics, I'm going to dip into the shade Buff and I'm going to set this concealer. With a fluffy brush, I'm just going to press in on the concealer and that'll already give us a brown smoky look. Let's contour and add some depth to this. So I'm going to dip into the shade Depth and I'm going to use it in the very outer corner. With the same fluffy brush, I'm going to press it in the very outer corner. I'm going to blend it out later, but for now, I'm just packing that eyeshadow in the outer corner. And then with a larger blending brush, this one's from Rose & Ben, I'm going to blend everything together. And then right above my lash line, I'm going to press in the showstopper. I'm taking it with my finger and I'm going to press it right there, right in the center, just above the lash line. And I'm going to spread it all the way up. So you're depositing most of that product closer to the lash line, and as it moves upward and outward, it disperses. That's pretty much it, my friends. I'm going to use Buff again in my lower lash line, just smoking it out from the inner to the outer corner. And then I'm going to use Depth in the outer half of my lower lash line, smoking it out with a smaller fluffy brush. To finish up, I'm going to first curl my lashes with the Sally Hansen curler. And for mascara, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Paradise Big Deal Mascara. This is a beautiful mascara. I'm absolutely loving it. And as you can see, even just with mascara, this looks so pretty. But I'm going to be using false lashes today. And I'm using a self-adhesive lash. This is from Lily Lashes in Dream Chaser. You don't need any glue for this, so you just peel it and stick it on your lash line. It's your body heat that activates it and holds onto it. And here's the finished eye look. Super elegant and so pretty. It looks absolutely stunning with every outfit. And as I mentioned before, even if you have zero knowledge with makeup, you can still pull this off. How easy was that? Like, be honest, even if you're a beginner, it's so easy to pull this off. Let's finish up this look with one of my favorite lipsticks. It's mine, but better. This is my collaboration with Ofra Cosmetics. I'm not even going to use a lip liner. I'm just going to apply it as is, and you'll see how beautiful this color is. And here is the finished look. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this look, so comment below and let me know. Would you try this? If you do, please don't forget to tag me on, especially Instagram. I've listed all my socials in the description box right below this video. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit that thumbs up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye, guys.